So hey everyone, Akshay here and welcome back to Tech Binders. So here we are having the latest Zoook Upbeat wireless earphone. So this is having a sporty finish, so it's more like a sports earphone than your normal earphone. So we're gonna do the unboxing and review of these earphones and we'll let you know how good these are. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here are the features: noise cancellation, ergonomic in design, enhanced bass and hand-free call. So these are having this earphone tips, which is really a great design and fits easily in your ear and can be used even when you are running or when you are jogging. Okay. Now here are the detailed specification. This is having the Bluetooth version 5.0, latest and greatest. It takes around 2 hours to completely charge and the playback time is somewhere around 5 hours. So let's unbox this and let's figure more about these earphones. Okay, backing is good and here it comes. In the box you will find the user manual guide. I would highly recommend to go through this user manual guide before using these earphones. Also these are having this micro USB-B cable for charging, some pair of extra earbuds and finally these earphones. So they are pretty lightweight. In earphones I have always seen a hole in the microphone, but this one is a little bit bigger so it can get more of your sound and can filter it accordingly. It is also having a casing in the earphone dock, which means that they are having some types of water resistant. So yep, these are magnetic. Keeping everything aside, let's do the sound test and button test on these earphones. So the pairing process is really easy. All you need to do is that press and hold the multifunction button for almost 3 to 4 seconds. And here you will find that it is glowing red and blue LED indicator. Turn the Bluetooth on onto your phone and here you will find in the available devices this Zoook earbuds, Upbeat, that is the name. Boom, we have done and it has been paired. And also you will find that these are having almost like 70% of battery remaining. Now when we talk about the play and pause functionality, it works great. You can see here that it's pretty easy and quite responsive when I'm trying to do the play and pause track. Okay, if you want to increase the track, all you need to do is that press and hold the volume up button and boom, the volume is increasing. If you want to decrease the volume, press and hold down the volume down button and you can decrease the volume in a sequential manner. So if you want to go to the next track, just short press the volume down button and you will be in the next track. If you want to go to the previous track, short press the volume up button and you will be in the previous track. I don't know why they have included a different button controls, because as I've seen in almost all earphones, the volume up and the next is on a single button and the volume down and the previous track is on a single button. But here they have reversed it. I don't know why, whether it's a issue with this or they have done it purposefully, I don't know. But yeah, that doesn't seems like great for me because I remember in that way. If you double tap the multifunction button, all you can do is that you can redial the last dialed number. So you can redial the last dial number, you can receive or reject call. Taking a picture is mentioned in the user manual guide, but right now I cannot find that whether it's working in my phone or not, because right now it is in beta update. So if it is working on your phone, let others also know in the comment section below whether this function is working or it is not working. So these earphones have really done well and these have passed in our button test. So now we are going to discuss more about the sound quality and the comfortability. The sound quality is good and you will find the vocals are clear. And these are having the deep bass. So if you're looking for a deep bass earbuds, definitely these ones are for you, and these are priced somewhere around 1500 rupees. Also I love the magnetic casing on these earbuds, which are very good, and if you want you can wear it in your neck also, and definitely these are not going to fall from your neck. So that part is really great on these earphones. Also the button control is very responsive, although I found it little bit hard to press because I need to push a little bit harder and sometimes even with my fingertips. Apart from that, when we talk about the bass is really very good and it's deep and punching. So if you are looking for a deep and punching bass, definitely these ones are for you. Also the battery life is mediocre, it's around 5 hours if you are playing at 50% volume as we have tested. So these earphones are very loud. I won't recommend you to go above 50% volume, and also the noise isolation is pretty great. So if you are looking for a earphone which you can use for video or voice call, definitely you can purchase these. and also these are having this sporty finish, so it fits perfectly in your ear canal, and definitely you can use them in gym or exercise, and these will not fall from your ears. So the Best Buy link of these earphones will be in the description. You can go and purchase it from there. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like our content, don't forget to hit the like button. If you not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notifications. So there's a giveaway live on my channel, and if you have not participated it yet, go and participate it. The links and terms and conditions will be in the description. Go and check it out. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. This is Akshay signing off, and catch you later.